How to register for individual TIN number in Nigeria, step-by-step guide. If you are in Nigeria and you need a TIN number for banking, business, registration or tax purposes, this video will show you exactly how to register for an individual TIN step by step. In this video, I will explain what a TIN number is and why you need it, the requirements and how to register for an individual TIN number in Nigeria online. So what is a TIN number? TIN number means tax identification number. It is a unique number issued by the Federal Inland Revenue Service. This number is used to identify individuals and business for tax purposes in Nigeria. Now, who needs an individual TIN? If you are a YouTuber or a content creator, a salary earner, a freelancer, an NYC member, student, business owner, you need a TIN number. Now, what are the requirements to registering this TIN number? You have to have a voter's card, your driver's license, international passport, phone number, email address, residential address. Once you have all these requirements, you have to start your registration online. And to register, you need to follow their official website, which is at https://tin.jtb.gov.ng. So this is the website and we are currently there. To register, once you click on the website, it will bring you here. You will now see how to apply for TIN. They have the individuals and the non-individuals. You are working as an individual, so you have to click on this. Click on here, tap on it. Once it brings an interface like this, you have to put your BVN, your date of birth, your full name and your last name. After that, you click I am not a robot. Once you click on I'm not a robot, the next chapter will open for you. So I'm going to fill these details and we'll continue. So after filling all the details, you click on this I am not a robot. Then the next thing to do is to click on this search. So you have to click on next, tap on next. So you upload your BVN, your NIN, you select title. Title can be master, engineer, whatever thing, Mr. and Mrs. So anything that suits you, you click on it. Now your name is already there. Now you put your middle name. Your last name is there. You select gender. If you're a male, you select male. Now your state of origin, select your state. Now place of birth. Now you select your marital status. If you are married, you select. If you are single, you select. Now you put your email address. Make sure you have an active email address because that is where you are going to receive your TIN number. Now you select your residence. You select your local government. Now you select your city. You select your street. You select your house number. Now you select occupation. If you're a student, you choose student. If you're a barrister, you choose barrister. So make sure you select everything accurately. If you're a student, you select student. Now you select your phone number. You have an active phone number, select it. So after filling all the details, cross-check to make sure that everything is in order. Then you click on submit. Now they said the TIN request submitted successful. This is my ID. So I'm going to be checking my email. It can take 2 days, can take 72 hours for them to reply me. So I'm going to receive it